Love peanut butter cups. Here's what you need. A half a cup of peanut butter, a dash of vanilla, an eighth of maple syrup, a teaspoon of coconut oil for each of your mixes, your chocolate chips, and your protein mix. I used my Shakeology, 2 flavors. Start off by melting a teaspoon of coconut oil, a dash of vanilla, half a cup of peanut butter, and an eighth of maple syrup. Stir it in the bowl until you have a nice smooth consistency. Grab another bowl, melt a teaspoon of coconut oil, half a cup of chocolate chips, and your protein mix. You have a nice consistency. Grab your mold. It says love. Y'all, this is linked in my Amazon store in my bio. Put your first layer of your mix in the bowl. Freeze it for about 15 minutes. It's going to come out nice and hard. Grab your peanut butter. Add your next layer into the mold. Put it in the freezer again. It's going to come out nice and hard. And then I repeated the same process with my chocolate mix. This is how it came out. I'm just pulling it right out of the mold. It is so freaking cute. Look at that. It says love. 2 different flavors. Y'all, they might not look the cutest in the middle, but let me tell you, they are so good. And this is on the healthy realm because I use my healthy superfood shake. So don't forget to like, share, save, and follow for more recipes.